If you are one of those business owners who've spent an inordinate amount of time and money on websites and social media and Google advertising, and if you're frustrated that you're not getting the results you deserve, I don't want you to stress, because there are steps you can take that can change your course and change that paradigm of results you're getting. Okay? One of the first steps you can do is to talk to somebody who can guide you through from goal setting to goal achievement. This is not about websites and social media clicks and shares. This is about actual dollars that come into our bank account. So we got to set a strategy from goal setting to goal achievement and find the quickest, fastest, cheapest way of getting there. At NetStripes, we have helped over 100 business owners to achieve these results. Have a chat with one of our experts, see what mistakes you're making, and see how you can build some clear steps to achieve a result.